Alright, so this is a video about showing you the Vim skeleton file or template file. One heads up, very first thing, if you hear many kind of sound, it probably something is happening outside. Maybe there is a construction going on, there is a traffic going on nearby. So there will be a various kind of sound. If it catch, just ignore it for your sake. Okay, so once it's go out of the way, this is a short video, so I'm going to show you the Vim template, aka skeleton file, which can be useful for various reasons, and you can have it in a quick time with a simple keybinds with it. Okay, to give you some sort of demonstration, let me spawn up Vim. Let me spawn up a terminal first. Let me move into a designated place. Let us zoom in so people can see. I'm opening a empty buffer. This is an empty buffer, right? And I have several skeleton or template file in my Vim configuration related file, okay, as well as in Vimmercy. So for instance, if I wanted to insert code related to copyright related stuff, if I write something, I just press leader in my case semicolon, leader CL, and it will insert the text like this. Okay, and now here if I ever decided to insert a libs block inside Vim, then leader L, that'll do. It'll do like this. Okay, and now if I wanted to insert a markdown file, if I write a markdown file, I have a specific header which should come atop the file. Okay, so if I do md, sorry, leader K, so this is like this. Okay, so this kind of stuff get inserted if I started a markdown file with a keystroke. Okay, likewise, if I ever wanted to decide to take a note of something, if I'm seeing something and I want to pop up a Vim pop-up, which I have covered in my backlog videos, you can go back and have a look at it. Leader which will give this kind of skeleton to me: title, author, email, ref URL, and date. And I can fill these things. These things could be automated. Sometime I do it. I have mechanism, but most of the time, if I fill, so it's just a few lines, right? And it's important and one-time job. But the important thing is that the skeleton is there, so half of your typing is gone. Typing time is gone. So all I'm trying to make, so the templating file or skeleton file Vim has a lot of time saver, because with the help of keystroke you can easily insert a kind of stuff which you want in your file. It could be file specific, it could be situation specific. It all you can easily manipulate and induct. Very easy to do. Okay, to give you to show you how the template file look like, I have few. Let me show you that. Let me go out of Vim, and there is a template directory under .vim like everyone else, and this has got this many files. I spawn up whenever something is required and remove it when I don't need it anymore. But the basic idea is that you have to have a file here, so you can refer back in your Vimmercy file. Okay, to show you that, this is the libs block. um, simple. What is going? Oh, I'm missing template. Okay. Okay. So this is a structure, pretty ordinary thing, right? And template and markdown. Okay, it should be like that. Now how do I get inserted? I have attached a keystroke, which you saw that I'm pressing a specific keystroke, and the text related to that particular thing get inserted in the file, right? You saw it. So how do I achieve this? So this is the configuration I have in my vMercy. If you go to GitHub and check the .file repo of mine, it should be enlisted there in my vMercy. So I cut it out the section for your reference, so you can glare at it. So this is the thing I have in my vMercy. You see, these are the simple function with a specific name, and basically it read out the stuff from the specific file, and then all of the keystroke are in normal mode. Okay, so I'm calling that function with a keystroke. So the content of the file get inserted in the file whenever I press the keystroke. Okay, so this is the code which you need to call up a Vim skeleton or template file to be get inserted in Vim buffer with a keystroke. This is the code block you need. This is the kind of code block you need. Okay, it's a simple function, and it basically reading out the file from the .vim templates directory, as you saw. Like this. Okay, so this file contents get inserted in the Vim buffer when you press the corresponding key. As you see, I have configure particular key to insert the specific block into the Vim buffer. This is very handy. You can take a queue out of it and implement it in other way if you do a lot of other stuff. So it could save you to do a lot of plugin induction into the Vim. The more plugin you infused in Vim, it gets slow because it processes everything while you load Vim. Okay, so one way to eliminate some predictable stuff through this skeleton file of Vim, so you can assign or attach a keybind which will call up this template file and insert the content in the Vim buffer with ease. Okay, so I thought it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.